Welcome to this module on basic of CAD, CAM, and CNC. In this video, we will explore how these tools revolutionize manufacturing and design process. Let's start with CAD. What is CAD? CAD is computer-aided design. CAD software enables designers to create digital models of objects with incredible precision. These models can be 2D sketch or fully detailed 3D design. CAD is widely used in engineering, architecture, and product design to create everything from bridge to intricate mechanical parts. A CAD interface highlighting tools like line, circle, and extrude. CAD offers powerful features. For instance, you can draft detailed 2D plans, transform them into 3D models, and even simulate how they will perform under real-world conditions. One of the biggest advantages of CAD is the ability to quickly modify design, saving time and resources. Next, we have CAM. What is CAM? CAM is computer-aided manufacturing. CAM takes the design created in CAD and generates machine instruction, usually in the form of G code. This instruction guided the CNC machines to manufacture the parts. What is future of CAM? CAM software optimizes the manufacturing process. It generates toolpaths that guide the machine tools and simulate the machining process to ensure accuracy before production begins. That we can see from the video there. This minimizes errors and maximizes efficiency. How about CNC? CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. These machines use the instruction generated by CAM software to cut, mill, drill, or 3D print parts with incredible precision. Examples of CNC machines include milling machines, lathes, and even CNC plasma cutters. The video shows the computer numerical control CNC process. Here's how these technologies work together. The diagram shows that first, the design is created in CAD. Next, CAM software converts the design into machine instructions by using the G codes. Finally, the CNC machine uses this instruction to bring the design to life. This seamless workflow makes complex manufacturing tasks efficient and accurate. CAD, CAM, and CNC are used across various industries. In automotive and aerospace engineering, they help design and manufacture complex components. Architects use them for building plans, while product designers create prototypes with precision. The key benefits of these technologies include precision, reduced errors, and a faster design to production cycle. They also allow for complex geometries that would be nearly impossible to create manually. Let's recap the journey we have taken today. CAD allows us to design with precision, turning ideas into detailed models. CAM transforms this design into actionable plans for machining, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. Finally, CNC brings those design into the real world with unparalleled precision. This trifecta has revolutionized industries from automotive to healthcare. But the real power of these tools lies in your hands. Whether you are an engineering designer or hobbyist, the ability to design, plan, and build is more accessible than ever. Take the next step, explore, practice, and bring your ideas to life. Let's see the demonstration video of the CNC machining process, a blend of precision, automation, and innovation. CNC, or Computer Numerical Control, is the backbone of modern manufacturing, transforming digital designs into real-world products with unmatched accuracy. Thank you for watching.